Do you have problems sleeping? Do you have joint inflammation? Or do you work out and you have problems the next day getting out of bed? Because I do. And or are you currently sick? Because my whole family is sick and this is my go-to product amongst many things. But this has been my true savior and I want you to know everything about it because I love it and I want you to incorporate it into your life because I want you to love it. This is the LED mat by MDSTREE. It has been such a huge impact in my family. It is the red light therapy. Red light therapy has so many different benefits, and you can use it based off what you are trying to achieve. Currently, my whole household is sick, and I bring this out, I lay on it, and I snuggle up with my 6-year-old. My husband uses it. This is like a swap round. Everyone uses it and loves it. It's super convenient, super easy. You can lay down and read a book. I lay down and watch TV, and I feel so much better with consistent use. This is the mat that's 33 inches across and over 6 feet long. So I am 5'8", and I have no problem laying down on this. My husband is quite taller, but he still lays down and reaps the benefits. I've been using red light therapy in the past, and this mat is so much different because I've never been able to lay down. Usually I'm standing up or like on like a wall mount, or I'm trying to, this you can lay down, be lazy, and reap so many benefits of red light therapy. I'm not gonna go on and on about what the benefits are because essentially your plant and your mitochondria needs to thrive. It needs to bloom, it needs more energy, and the light penetrates and rebuilds, repairs. There's energy, like there's so many different benefits. But I'm not here to tell you about the benefits. I'm here to show you about this product because it's so convenient and so easy. It wipes down so well. It's like a soft, and it's very hypoallergenic. It's very cozy and comfortable. And I want to show you up close what it looks like because this has been one of my best purchases this year. And I want you to know that this can change so much in your life, but you have to be consistent with it. You can't just think one time I lay down and I'm walking with, nope, you can't do that. You have to be consistent, and that's super easy because it's so convenient. You can just lay down, you can put it on your bed and watch TV if you want. There's 5 different modes. There's infrared, and then there's red light therapy, but then there's like a combo of the two. They get brighter and brighter and brighter. And with it being able to wipe down, I don't have any problems swapping around my children and my husband. I just give it a quick wipe down, roll it back up, and keep it in my closet. I highly recommend this product because it has been such a game changer in the evolution of my life. Like, I want to evolve. I want to go to the next level, and this has helped me achieve that. So I will get some close-up details because I want you to see firsthand how wonderful this product is. And it's so hard to see online what it actually looks like. So I'll take you in a little closer and I will give kind of a little bit of a tour because I want you to see everything this beautiful mat has to offer. You can see this is a very thick material, very hypoallergenic, and it's very soft. It protects the individual LEDs on here, and the mode that you choose, you can go high to the infrared, or you can go low to just the LED. There's 5 different modes, and there's different times. I've done it on the 30-minute time, and it turns off when you're done. This has been a very great addition to my family because I can lay down and not feel like I'm bothered by standing up. I highly recommend this mat. Very good quality, very good material. This is like a wetsuit neoprene material. It rolls up, really convenient. It wipes off. I highly recommend this product.